Mortgage rates in the UK is the topic of conversation in today's video. I'm going to let you know what is going on with mortgage rates, how that links to property prices, what to expect moving forwards, and what you should be thinking about as a first-time buyer. Let's go. Hi, my name's Alex Kerr. I'm a qualified mortgage broker and my passion is simplifying the mortgage process and leading you to mortgage success. Let's get into the vid. The mortgage rates in the UK have been increasing, which, as you know, has made it very difficult to know if you should buy now or wait. And the biggest problem I see is that there is no clarity on how much you can borrow as a first-time buyer. Now, if you do want access to software which provides you all the mortgage rates in the UK, as well as an affordability software that calculates your borrowing potential with over 70 mortgage lenders in under 1 minute, the link is in the description to join First Time Buyer Expert Premium. The Bank of England meet every 6 weeks and decide whether rates are going to go up, down, or stay the same. In recent times, rates have only been going one way, which is upwards. But it's not all doom and gloom, because this has brought property prices down. So any increase in monthly payments through the rate increase, you are going to get some of that back through the reduction in capital of the property that you buy. So it's all in relativity. The reason mortgage rates within the UK are currently increasing is in an attempt to try and control inflation, which has had a knock-on effect to the cost of living. At the moment, the cost of living is very high and the plan is to try and bring that down. Hopefully this is just short-term pain for long-term gain, but in my experience, the market can change very quickly. I actually think this is a good time to buy property because this could be the new normal, and the rates right now could look very attractive if they carry on increasing. I'd rather be buying property now than compared to a couple of years ago when rates were at 2 or 3% and then suffering a double or treble increase within my monthly payments. If you can buy property now while rates are at these levels, you're going to have a much better chance of keeping your property in the long run. Being on the property ladder is all about starting low and building up. I'm not a fan of maxing out how much you can borrow from the outset. If you're not restricted to location through your employment, then relocating can be a fantastic new experience, and you can move to an area where property prices are much more affordable. But not everyone has that luxury, and it's becoming ever difficult to save for a deposit. So with mortgage rates as they are at the moment, what are your options? 1, you can purchase a property outright as a first-time buyer with a 5% deposit. This includes buying second-hand properties, and there is now many options to buy new build properties with just a 5% deposit if you choose the right lender or go via the deposit unlock scheme. 2, shared ownership. This is a bit like Marmite, you either love it or hate it, but it's a no-brainer if it's your only option and you are currently renting, paying someone else's mortgage. Why not own at least 25% and start paying your own mortgage, giving you a track record and hopefully some equity. You can use this as a temporary solution like a stepping stone onto the property ladder. It will make your next step a lot easier. The deposit you need to find is 1/4 of what it would be, and it can get you onto the property ladder into a higher value property when compared to buying outright. And 3, a 100% mortgage is possible if you are currently renting. Just bear in mind that there are criteria that you need to hit, with the main ones being that you have to have been renting for 12 months out of the last 18, and the mortgage payment can't be more than your current rent payment. So if you're in a room share or paying a low rent, this probably will not work out. And no, you can't ask your landlord to increase the rent for next month. Whatever your situation, whether you're at the very early stages or you are thinking about your options, we can help. We've got free guides, free courses, as well as paid mentorship. If you want to keep control of the process and apply direct to the mortgage lender, but have a mortgage broker mentor you throughout, as well as providing a fully fledged mortgage brokerage service. All of the links are in the description below, and if you want to discuss any of this further, just book a free no obligation chat with me. Mortgage warning. As a mortgage is secured against your home, it could be repossessed if you do not keep up the mortgage repayments. So thanks for watching today's video. Please do let me know if you have any questions. Just add those in the comments below. I do endeavour to answer every single question that is asked on this channel. And if you're new, please do consider subscribing and ringing the bell. Have a beautiful day, I'll see you in the next one.